Do reverse clinic supplement really works? Everybody talking about reverse clinic supplements, but the real question is, do they actually work? Let's find out scientifically. You have seen these bottles: quercetin with bromelain, vitamin C and magnesium, NMN, alpha lipoic acid, EGCG, green tea extract, cinnamon and chromium, polycosanol with calcium, phosphorus, garlic and L-arginine. Sounds fancy. Let's break it down in science. A Harvard-backed study by Dr. David Sinclair in Cell Metabolism 2019 shows that NMN increases NADH level, boosting cellular energy and reversing age-related decline in muscles and brain. Alpha lipoic acid, ALA, published in Free Radical Biology and Medicine in 2020, enhances mitochondrial function and reduces oxidative stress for real anti-aging benefits. Quercetin plus bromelain in Journal of Inflammation and Research in 2021 demonstrated powerful anti-inflammatory synergy plus immune protection plus vitamin C absorption boost. EGCG, the green tea extract, was reviewed in Nature's Review Endocrinology in 2022, proven enhanced fat oxidation, insulin sensitivity and longevity pathway through AMPK activation. Cinnamon with chromium, and proven in Diabetes Care Journal in 2018, it lowered the fasting glucose and improved insulin function naturally. And the last one, polycosanol, garlic plus L-arginine in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2020. These compounds improved vascular elasticity and support nitric oxide production for better blood flow and heart health. These supplements aren't just hype. They are clinically studied, lab tested and combined in reverse clinics to target inflammation, metabolism, mitochondrial energy and vascular health, the four pillars of aging. But here's the truth the most people miss. Supplements don't replace the lifestyle. They amplify it. When you pair them with fasting, good sleep and good strength training under a guidance of a sports physiotherapist which can guide you about the anti-aging exercises, that's when the true reversal truly begins. Do reverse clinic supplements really work? The science says yes. If you do, other things as well. Follow me for real anti-aging guidance, evidence-based longevity and just not marketing myth.